Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our 30 days effective roadmap for passing agricultural licensure examination. Our website is raptitiinc.edu.com by Robinson Nakabal. This is sponsored by Raptiti INC. So our topic for today is all about exam is situational, trivial, mathematical, and out of this world question. Yes, it is true. Sa panahon namin, ang exam is situational. Kahit sa mga previous at ngayon ng mga exam, situational pa rin. So, ang hahaba ng mga question, especially sa agricultural extension and communication, ang hahaba ng question, tapos yung choices is malapit lang sila sa isa't isa. Kaya napakahirap. So, exam is situational, trivial, mathematical, and out of this world question. Trivial sa animal science at crop science, maraming trivial question dito. And out of mathematical, soil science at saka agricultural economics. Puros yan mga mathematical. And out of this world question, sa question pan pala, Bookman 12 yung ginagamit. Kaya sana po masanay tayo sa Bookman pans. At out of this world question, ano pong ibig sabihin yan is may mga wrong spelling, may mga something na question na hindi mo talaga alam. Example, sa panahon namin, kabuyaw is what variety of a crop. Ang kabuyaw is what variety of a crop. So, di ko po yan alam, kaya napakahirap sa akin. So, I prepare some question of agricultural economics. Bakit extension? Bakit agricultural extension yung studyhan natin ngayon? Sapagkat ito yung pinaka-weakness ko at napakahirap na exam para sa akin at pinakamababang rating na nakuha ko. So, okay. So, number 81, a holistic approach in which the farmer participate actively in a partnership with interdisciplinary team of researcher. Ano pong tawag dyan? Example, may research sa school namin, may mga research sa variety. Gusto nila matapos with the farmer. So, ang farmer is nagpa-participate. Ano pong tawag niyan? Farming System Development Approach, Education Stational Approach, Project Approach, Sharing Approach. So, if may time kayo, paki-research na lang tong apat na to. Pero ang sagot dito is Farming System Approach. Ang farmer is nag-participate siya with System Development Approach, which is considered as the brain of microcomputer. Brain of microcomputer. Keyboard, hardware, CPU, software. Dito lang bakit microcomputer? Brain of the computer is CPU. Ngayon is tanong is microcomputer. Ano? Ulit. Ang sagot, keyboard, hardware, CPU, software. Ang sagot pa rin is Central Processing Unit or CPU. So, huwag kayong malito sa microcomputer at computer. Next is the choice of appropriate extension methods or techniques to use is primarily dependent upon. Ang pagpili mo daw ng extension method is magdedepende siya primary. So, nature of technology, resources required, objective of the activity, competence of the change agent. So, ito, competence of the change agent, hindi mo tinitingnan. Nature of the technology, hindi rin. Resources required, pwede. So, objective of the activity. So, ang pinaka-main talaga dito is objective of the activity. Ito. Kasi, dyan ka pipili ng extension technique or method. Alam mo na anong yung objective, alam mo yung target market, sinong makinabang nito. So, ganun. So, probably the most universal extension teaching method both developed and developing country. Ito po yung usually ginagamit sa both developed and well-developed countries. Anong tawag pong method sa extension? Group method, individual method, group meetings, spoken and visual. Ano pong tawag? Ang tamang sagot dito is individual method. The internal state which stimulates a person to carry out certain activities. Sa isang state of the mind na ang tao is anong tawag nun? Positive siya na ah, i-carry. I-carry niya? Anong ibig sabihin i-carry is sa kanyang puso, kahit example sa business ko, yung ganun, agribit. Ah, kahit alam ko walang profit, walang ganun kasi love ko siya. Meron akong stimuli na gusto kong gagawin ito. So anong tawag niyan sa mga ganyan? Motivation, stimulation, perception, cognition. So ito, out of this world, malalapit lang talaga yung mga question, yung mga choices. Motivation, stimulation, perception, cognition. So the best choice dito is motivation. Nagmo-motivate sa iyo na gawin ng certain activities. Education is a lifelong process. This simply means that, so wag kayong kabahan bakit minamadali ko yung question kasi dapat ma-exercise din na dapat ganito kayo bumasa, ganito kayo mag-analyze ng question kasi time limited yung exam. Dapat as soon as possible matapos kayo sa 100 question. So, A, takes place in school where individual exposed to a specific and self-contained experience. B, it is a continuous process of experience and recognizing experience. C, may take place formally and informally to enable the individual to grow. May takes place anywhere, anytime individual so desire. So, ang pinaka-the best dito is, ano bang ibig sabihin ng education is a lifelong process? Meaning, it is a continuous process of experience and recognizing experience. So, hindi siya naputol, continuous process ang life education. Number 87, it is the process that start from situation analysis up to appraisal of the program accomplishment. Ano pong tawag? Program planning, program management, program evaluation, program development, situation analysis up to appraisal of the program accomplishment. So, paki-research ng program planning, program management, program evaluation, at program development. So, ang tamang sagot po dito is program development. A professional communication intervention deployed by an institution to induce voluntary behavior change with presumed public utility. So, ano pong tawag dyan? Isang professional communication intervention deployed by an institution to induce voluntary behavior change with presumed public utility. So, ito is definition of term. Ano pong tawag? So, extension education, agricultural extension, extension science. The tamang sagot dito is extension education. So, it is the outcome of the communication process. Ano pong outcome of communication process? Knowledge, feedback, learning, result, effect. Halos kung iisipin mo, magkakalapit-lapit lang sila talaga. So, agricultural extension, napakahirap talaga. Knowledge, feedback, learning, result, effect. So, ang pinaka-outcome ng communication process is effect. It is the oldest form of teaching. It is the oldest form of teaching. Lecture, method, demonstration, discussion, result, discussion. Anong tawag? The oldest form of teaching is method of demonstration. Okay, so stop muna tayo dito.